Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day. Uh, and I hope you all are doing well and with a beautiful and great health. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of beige color heel, which looks really pretty and a really different kind of heel. And this one is also very pretty, like it's the very nice. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of black like flat footwear, which looks very pretty and very amazing. And as you see, this one is also very pretty. It's in a golden color along with some very beautiful kind of things, and which looks really pretty and really amazing. And as you see, this one is also very nice, a very beautiful black color, very nice and amazing kind of heel. And if you watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to update the collection of your heels and make it more amazing and more beautiful. And footwear is a vital aspect of our daily lives, offering protection, comfort, and style. With diverse design, materials, and purposes, shoes cater to various activities, occasions, and personal taste. From athletic shoes to formal heels, sandals to boots, footwear enhance our appearance, boost confidence, and safeguard our feet. Whether for functionality, functions, or both, the right footwear can make a significant difference in our daily lives. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till then. Bye bye.